Hi guys, so here's a quick tutorial on how to create an account with Tornado. So, kailangan nyo lang mag-save ng ID or ng slot kasi ang activation pa is on January. So, we still have 3 days para mag-prepare. Okay? So, ngayon, ang kailangan mo lang is at least 15 pesos worth of OPBNB. And I heard na some people ay hindi maka-access using their MetaMask wallets or Trust Wallet. So, I recommend you use SafePal or Token Packet. Mas madali kasing gamitin yon. So, pwede kayong mag-create ng SafePal and yung balance nyo sa MetaMask or balance nyo sa Trust Wallet, pwede din yung i-transfer yon papunta sa inyong mga SafePal wallet. So, I will teach you how to do that. First is, i-download nyo muna yung SafePal. Okay? So, type nyo lang sa Play Store or sa App Store nyo, SafePal Wallet. So, eto siya guys. Click mo lang yung download. So, once na-download na siya, click mo lang yung open. Okay. Pwede ka mag-create ng new wallet or pwede rin naman na i-import mo na lang yung Trust Wallet mo or yung MetaMask wallet mo. So, paano i-import yung wallet? So, punta ka lang sa MetaMask wallet. And kukunin natin yung private key. Okay? So, dito sa MetaMask wallet, i-click mo lang yung account sa taas, yung name na yan. And then, i-click nyo lang dyan guys is yung 3 dots na yan sa tapat ng wallet nyo. Okay? Tapos, makikita nyo na show private key. So, i-click mo yan and then type mo lang yung password. Okay? Tapos, hold to reveal private key. Tap mo lang ng matagal yan, tapos lalabas na yung private key. I-copy mo lang yan. And after that, guys ha, don't expose your private key. Huwag nyo yung isa-send kahit kanino, no? Kaya ako tinakpan yan kasi very sensitive yan. So, meron na akong 43 pesos worth of OPBNB dito sa aking MetaMask wallet. Okay? So, ngayon, open na natin yung SafePal. Okay, so instead of create new wallet, since itatransfer ko lang dito yung MetaMask wallet ko, so kiklik natin yung add existing wallet, then gawa ka lang ng password ng iyong phone para ma-open siya. I-enable ko lang yung Face ID, no? It's up to you kung gusto nyo rin. So dito, ipipaste na natin yung kinapi natin na private key. Okay, once na i-paste nyo na yan, click mo lang yung next. And then, dito guys, saselect natin yung chain. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung OPBNB. Alright? So, dito siya nakapaloob sa Ethereum. So, select lang natin yung Ethereum kasi nandiyan na lahat. Meron siyang BNB, meron siyang Polygon, Arbitrum. So, nandito lahat. Click lang natin yan and then import. Alright. So, eto guys, meron akong balance dito na ayan, Polygon yung lumabas. So, it means, ito yung balance ko sa MetaMask. Okay? So, ngayon, hindi pa lumalabas yung OPBNB. Ang gagawin lang natin, dito sa all, click mo yan, and then, i-type natin dito OPBNB. Alright, so, click lang natin yung plus, and added na siya. Alright, so, ayun, lumabas na yung balance natin sa OPBNB. Okay? So, after that, na-import na natin and nandito na rin no, yung balance. Lumabas na siya. So, pwede na tayong mag-register. Okay? So, kunin lang natin yung referral link. Ayan. Then, balik dito. Tapos, click na natin yung explore. Okay? So, i-click mo lang, i-check mo lang yan and then, view the app store. Okay? So, dito guys, yan, i-paste natin no, yung referral link. Okay, so after that guys, make sure na i-click nyo to ha, kasi naka-Ethereum siya. So, isa-select natin dyan dapat OPBNB. So, i-search mo ulit, OPBNB. Okay, lalabas na siya. Select mo yan, and click na natin yung go. Okay, so, click lang natin itong confirm. Security warning lang yan guys. Confirm. And, here. So, eto na, lumabas na siya. Okay, so, pwede ka mag-type ng username. Ayan. And then, zoom out natin. So, click lang natin yung register. Okay, so dito guys ha, ayan, 0.0003 sa middle. So, that's enough. Good enough na yan guys. Napakamura lang. Nasa 12 pesos lang yan. So, click na natin yung confirm. Okay? Dito yung pin ng phone mo. Or yung kinreate mo na pin. So, that's it. Naka-registered na tayo guys. Okay? So, dito makikita natin. Ayan. Need lang natin itong i-refresh kasi dapat meron kang makitang ID. Okay? So, kung walang ID na lumabas, ang gawin mo lang is i-X mo lang yan and i-type mo ulit dito, no? Dito sa browser, i-type lang natin is tornado, double O yun .io. Okay? So, nakaselect na automatic yung OPBNB dyan. Click na natin yung go. Confirm. There you go. So, ayan, lumabas na guys yung account ko na kinreate. Yan. So, yeah, that's it. Naka-register ka na. Okay? So, wala pa tayong activation. And activation will start on January. We still have few days to prepare. So, make sure to add balance on your SafePal wallets, no? So, i-X natin yan. And then, dito sa wallet. So, ayan. Ang kailangan natin, USDT at OPBNB. Okay, so, yeah, I'll keep you posted guys kasi I heard na madedalis na yung USDT. So, let's see kung ano yung gagawin ni Tornado, no? Kung papalitan ba niya yung token na yan. But for now, ang importante, naka-register na tayo and meron na tayong slot. Okay, balikan pala natin. So, makikita natin dito yung ID number. Okay, dito lang yan lagi sa browser. And then, tornado.io. Click go. Alright. So, dito makikita natin may dashboard. Click natin dashboard. And there you go. So, pang 4,022 na yung account na to. So, guys, napakabilis, no? Napakabilis. Ang ganda ng sistema niya. Unlike dun sa previous projects natin na nag-una-unahan talaga. So, ito, makikita mo kung gaano ka intact yung community, 'di ba? So, ID number 4022 yung ID na to. So, the first 10,000 ID, okay, sila lang yung makaka-receive ng free Tornado token. Okay, isa lang din yan sa privilege as early joiners or pioneers ng project na to. So, this has a bright future, guys. Make sure to save your slots. Kailangan nyo lang ng worth 15 pesos or 0.0003 BNB para makapag-save ng inyong mga slots. So, i-follow nyo lang yung video na to. And kung wala pa kayong OPBNB, okay, punta lang kayo sa aking YouTube channel. Meron akong tutorials dito on how to buy your OPBNB using your GCash or using your Binance accounts. So, ayan, i-attach ko na lang yung link dito, guys. So, nandito yan. Make sure to subscribe na para hindi na kayo mahirapang maghanap lagi. Okay? So, dito meron akong tutorials on how to buy your OPBNB. Ito yan, guys. Panoorin nyo lang yan. And makakapag-fund na kayo sa inyong mga account. And to make sure na ready na kayo sa launch. Kasi, sayang, guys. Meron ditong single global pool wherein yun yung non-working income. Okay? Makaposition ka ng maaga, maaambunan ka ng earnings dito. Okay? So, that's the great news about being pioneers of this kind of projects. So, I'll see you guys and I'll keep you updated. Make sure to join our Telegram channel. So, again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye!